fix Instagram Edit app Restyle option not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram Edit app Restyle option not showing, then first of all, if you've been using this Edit app for a while now, then it might not have been updated. So head over to your Play Store, go with search, and from the search, you need to search for Instagram Edits. After searching, if you have any updates on your Edits application, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, you need to go back and then find the application, tap and hold on to that, and then go with the app info. Once you tap on the app info, you need to scroll down a bit, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Once you've cleared your cache, now if you do remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data as well. So delete the data, and then lastly, select force stop. After that, tap on OK, go ahead and open up your Edits app and then log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.